All right, wanted to bring you guys some live trading and show you a swing position I just took on Bitcoin USDT. I just posted this in the Bitcoin TA channel inside of the Pro Discord, and this is a heavy short position that I'm in. I've been looking at this level for a while. I've been saying the 25K level is the key level to hold, and we couldn't hold it a few weeks ago, and it looks like we might deviate once again. We just tagged that golden pocket from the daily time frame, from this swing high up here to this swing low. We're seeing some initial weakness at this golden pocket. We're still at a resistance level until we reclaim 25K. I'm also looking at this ascending parallel channel idea, and we just tagged the top of that channel as well. So because I have 3 to 4 different confluences and I've been looking at this level for a while, I just entered a heavy short position. Hopefully this trade goes our way. As always, use risk management. I'm going to post this whether or not this trade hits, because I want to show you realistically the trade setups that I'm posting and the trades that you can take when you have, EzAlgo and you're using the confluences that we teach, such as the golden pocket. Realistically, you just need 2 to 3 trades per month like this to become potentially full-time in trading or make a very good side income. Even if you lose 1 or 2 trades, eventually you'll make it right back up with a winning trade. When you're on a higher time frame, price tends to respect support and resistance, golden pockets, etc., a lot better than, let's say, on a 1-hour time frame. So I do like to go with a higher position size when I'm on a higher time frame. Those are the reasons that I entered the trade. Also, everyone's getting bullish, right? We pumped a lot the past few days. And everyone's calling for 30K again. You know what that means. That means we're short in the market. It's going right back the other way. All right, it's a few hours later, and I have taken all of my profit right around here at 24.3. I think in total it was around 175%. I was using 33x leverage, and I tried to sell 75% of my position, but I accidentally sold 100% of the position. But I'll throw a screenshot up on the screen here. On the daily time frame, we did swing fail this previous swing high. So, more downside is definitely expected. I was using higher leverage, and I did sell my entire position when I didn't mean to. I always do that. So annoying, but that's 175% in less than a day. So if you entered that trade with $500, you'd be walking away with almost $1,400, right? Just off of one trade, and there could definitely be more downside to come. The reason I sold 75% of my position, I was actually looking on the 15 and 30 minute time frame, and we had this huge sudden drop. And at that point, I looked at the EZ oscillator. We were forming this higher low, right? Market structure is not broken. We also had a swing failure of this candle low right here. I'll change this to blue because it's now current support. So I sold right around there. And you can see that the oscillator is now in the overbought territory. And you can see the EzAlgo buy and sell signals caught that move perfectly. So if you like this indicator for yourself, as well as the EzAlgo SR and the EZ oscillator, be sure to click the first link in the description below. Just wanted to do some live trading to show you guys how possible this really is and the importance of executing a plan, right? I waited for the right setup on a higher time frame golden pocket, had a plan, executed it, was a fairly easy trade. I think the risk to reward was around a 2 to 3 risk to reward, right? Because, I entered around here, the stop loss was right around here. So just over a 2 risk to reward when I took profit. But like I said, you could still definitely be in the trade holding some of your position. But that's live trading for you. If you guys want me to do this on the regular, I will. Also, comment down below if you guys want me to do a challenge like a 1K to 10K, or maybe just start an account with like $500 and see what I can do with it by the end of the week. I would definitely be down for a challenge like that. So let me know down in the comments below. You guys are awesome. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video.